Isang netizen ang nang-ahas magsabi sa Australian singer-songwriter na si Lenka na dapat daw nitong pasalamatan si Queen of Bangsamoro Pop, Shira Moro. Sa Instagram post ni Lenka noong International Women's Day, matatagpuan ang isang komento na tila may tono ng panunumbat. "Hi, you should be thankful to Shira because your song is trending now," saad ng netizen sa comment section. Dagdag pa niya, "Terp, I don't even know that you are singer." Umani naman ng samot-saring reaksyon mula sa mga kapwa niya netizen ang kanyang komento. Narito ang ilan sa kanilang mga hanash. Do you have any idea what intellectual property means? Lenka is only protecting what is hers. It's not about being ungrateful. That's it. No need. Shira should thank her bits of Lenka's music. She is trending. Tell Shira to make her own music. Squammy behavior. If someone steals your belonging and became popular because of the robbery, would you say thank you to the thief? Pilipino din pala ang hihila sa kanya pababa, daming inggit lol. Maybe you don't know the word originality right. Matatandaang noong 8 ng Marso ay naitala ang "Selos" bilang #1 sa Spotify Viral Songs PH.